Okay, easy beadwork tutorial. This is just a cardboard box. In fact, this particular box is a sweet and low box. Taken our threading and wrapped it around for the weave and the warp. So we've got the threads in there. Little perspective on size, that's a 1/4. These are the mini perler beads. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reproduce this strand of wampum. And I'm going to reproduce that in perler beads and make a very tiny strip of wampum beads. We are making progress, so it's coming along nice, starting to look pretty good. Okay, now we are basically done with our little project. So we're going to be ready to cut the threading on the back of the box and release this, and then weave the ends together and tie them off. And we'll have our little miniature wampum belt. Now here I had to change threads, so I'm adding another piece of thread. So I tied it up a couple rows above, and I'm going to run the thread back and forth through those rows. When I finished the first piece of thread, I ran it back and through up the rows and then tied it off. This way, if the knot should come loose or fray, it's not going to destroy your beadwork. Now, as I continue my progress on this, you'll notice that all I had to do was roll this around the edge of the box in order to get more of the warp showing, so that I had more space in order to place my beads. So the warp on the frame just rolls right around, and at the end we'll just cut the threads on the back and then tie them off. Now here you can see how the mini beads compare to the regular perler beads when you're making a wampum style belt or bracelet. So the mini beads shown beside the regular size wampum beads, or not wampum beads but perler beads. If you're a novice beader, first time beader, experienced beader, if you're a teacher or instructor and you want to work with kids and have an inexpensive loom to make, again, just any small cardboard box, reinforce it with a little tape perhaps. And again, any kind of beads. Perler beads work great, and these are the miniature perler beads. So whatever you decide to do, good luck with it, and enjoy. And there you have it, a miniature wampum belt. And you can see how nice those little beads worked out.